Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another brand new video. Today I want to show you how to create all file names into a text file. So you can think, if you have a lot of file and you want to copy all file name into a text file, so what can I do? So let's go to my PC and see how can I do this. Welcome to my computer screen. Here you can see a folder, and in this folder you can see a lot of file. Here is around 5000 plus file. Also you can see in the last portion there is no text file. So how to convert all file name into a text file? Just simple. For this, click here. I hope everybody see this. Click here. See my mouse pointer. Click here and type CMD. Then enter. Here you can see a command prompt. What I type here? I already copy a text file. Here you can see this code. Copy this and paste here. I already paste this, and at last we enter this. My work complete. Go to the folder. Here is the folder, and go to the last option. Here you can see name.txt. Here is the text file. If I open the text file, you can see every file name will be listed here. Every file name, every. Just a simple code, no software. I will show in the description this text file. This text file or code I will show in the description. Everybody can do this. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you everybody.